Hotbit Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. Hotbit is a cryptocurrency exchange known for its wide range of supported tokens, staking options, and user-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned trader or someone just dipping their toes into crypto, Hotbit aims to cater to both audiences. One of its standout features is the vast selection of over 1,000 listed tokens, making it a go-to platform for discovering lesser-known altcoins. Additionally, Hotbit provides advanced trading tools, including market, limit, and stop limit orders, which are essential for precision trading. Another major highlight is its investment options, such as staking and DeFi farming, which allow users to earn passive income. For those seeking high returns, Hotbit offers competitive annual percentage yields, APY, on several coins, but be cautious. Higher returns often come with higher risks. The platform's mobile app is streamlined and intuitive, making trading on the go seamless. Security-wise, Hotbit employs multiple layers of protection, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for funds, and anti-phishing features. However, like any exchange, it's essential to practice good security hygiene by enabling 2FA and avoiding storing large amounts of crypto on the exchange itself. The registration process is straightforward, and the platform does not enforce stringent KYC requirements for basic trading activities, which is a plus for privacy-conscious users. In my experience, Hotbit's strengths lie in its diversity of tokens and ease of use, but it's not without its drawbacks. Transaction fees, while competitive, are not the lowest in the industry, especially for smaller trades. Withdrawals can sometimes take longer than expected due to Hotbit's compliance checks and occasional maintenance. Customer support is decent, but could be more responsive during high-traffic periods. On the upside, Hotbit regularly updates its listings and features, keeping the platform dynamic and appealing to active traders. Who is Hotbit for? It's ideal for those looking to explore altcoins or earn passive income through staking and DeFi options. However, if you're primarily trading mainstream coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you might find other platforms more efficient and cost-effective. Overall, Hotbit delivers a solid trading experience with a focus on token diversity and earning potential. But as always, do your due diligence and assess your own risk tolerance before diving in. If you're after variety and innovation in your crypto portfolio, Hotbit could be a valuable tool in your trading arsenal. That's my honest experience. Straightforward, no fluff. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.